This is the smallest low-profile mechanical keyboard for your Mac. Meet the Keychron K3 Max. Its ultra-slim, lightweight design with Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity is great for travel or minimalist setups. Also, I absolutely love the typing experience. It's so satisfying and I absolutely love the sound as well. Listen to this. The K3 Max also comes with RGB backlighting, which really adds a nice colorful touch, especially at night. At under $100, the K3 Max offers excellent value if you're looking for a travel-friendly and minimalistic Mac keyboard. Check out the Keychron K3 Max now.